Hello, my name is Richard Lorne. I'm from Elliot Lake. I nominate Elliot Lake Centennial Arena for an NHL hockey game and potential $250,000 that we can desperately use for repairs. Back in the day, we had probably 4 outdoor rinks and 2 indoor rinks, and all those rinks were full all day long till 9 o'clock at night, till our parents dragged us in by our ear after dark. Our arena, unfortunately, we had 4 feet of snow in a snowstorm, and it caused damage to the roof. And right now our roof is shored up and the arena is closed and pretty much condemned until the repairs happen. We don't know how long it's going to take for that to happen, but we definitely need the hope and the help. You know, back in the day as kids, we all had our hockey legends, and we pretended to be our hockey legends. So as we skated along down the ice, we'd call our plays. You know, I'm Eddie Shack. Eddie Shack's coming down the ice. He turns to the right. He passes the puck to Gordie Howe. He shoots. And Mike Palmentier saves the puck from the goal, and the game is saved. And that's how we continued to play all day long for years. Since the mine's closed here in Elliot Lake, that spirit is pretty much gone. We still have kids that want to play hockey, and our children. I got young kids, and I can't take them to the arena to play hockey because the arena's closed. It would be nice to have a little hope and maybe some luck and see an NHL game here. We desperately need the help. I haven't seen one of these things in quite a while outside. You know, this is an old stick, but when I was a kid, everybody had one. You know, we were playing road hockey in the pond. We were playing road hockey in the road. We had outdoor on the road hockey tournaments. And many legends come from here. You know, our local legends. Dave Berthlow, Sean Cox, they played for the Elliot Lake Vikings back in the day. Filled the seats. The arena was always full. Lots of people showed up. The seats were full, and people cheered for the game and all the players. Dean Bowles, another legend from Elliot Lake. Even during hockey when I was a kid, we had legends in Pee Wee and Tyke and Midget. Guys like Danny Walsh, Serge Hebert, Pete Gerton, all great hockey players. We enjoyed growing up doing that, so we've learned lessons from playing hockey and lessons for life playing the game. But lately it's not been what it should be. The fire has died here in Elliot Lake for hockey, and until our arena's fixed, I don't see it being any good for the kids, but we definitely need the help. So I nominate Elliot Lake Centennial Arena for the $250,000 and the NHL hockey game, so we can fix that arena and get kids back on the ice. Have a great day.